In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate retained earnings closing balance. Okay, so here we have this question we have taken from Cambridge A-Level Accounting past papers. Our previous two lessons, I showed you how to calculate interim dividend and how to journalize when business issue bonus share. Okay, so here T Limited's statement of financial position at 28 February 2021. We have share capital, we have share premium and retained earnings. Okay, on 31st August 2021, the directors paid an interim dividend of $0.05 per share. Here we calculated interim dividend. I recommend you to watch this video. I'll link to the video in the description box. Okay, then we have here on 1st December 2021, the directors made a bonus share issue on the basis of 2 ordinary shares for every 3 ordinary shares currently held. It is like if you have three ordinary shares, you will get 2 bonus shares. So on this basis, business issued bonus share. Okay, the directors wish to leave the reserves in their most flexible form. Okay, to issue bonus share, we used the reserves. Here we have 2 reserves: share premium $122,000 and retained earnings $342,000. Okay, so how we journalize this bonus share, you can watch the video. Same, I'll link to this video in the description box. Okay, on 28th February 2022, after 1 year, okay, so what happened? The directors paid a final dividend of $0.07 per share on all ordinary shares issued at this date. Okay, then here we have the profit for the year ended 28th February 2022 was $114,000. Okay, so now from this information we have to calculate our retained earnings. Okay, the closing balance on 28 February 2022. Okay, so how to calculate retained earnings? It is simple. So first of all, we need to add the profit for the year to the retained earnings opening balance. Okay, so let us write here retained earnings at what date here? 28 February 2021. Okay, so we had here retained earnings $342,000. Okay, so we will write here $342,000. Okay, this is the balance brought down. Okay, opening balance or balance PD, whatever you call. Okay, now with this one we will add profit for the year, which is $114,000. Okay, so let us write here add or plus profit for the year. So here we have $114,000. Okay, now if we add these two amounts, we get here $456,000. Okay, so now from this amount we will subtract interim dividend and final dividend. Okay, then we have some more adjustments we will write here. So first of all, we will write less interim dividend. So we calculated interim dividend $45,000. So again, I recommend you watch this video, learn how we calculate it. Okay, so we will write here $45,000. We will subtract this amount. Then again we will subtract what? We will subtract bonus share issued. Okay, so bonus share issue was here $178,000. We will subtract this amount. You might be thinking how $178,000 again. So please watch the previous video. Here we explain how $178,000 used from the retained earnings to issue bonus share. Okay, good. Then we have here final dividend. Okay, final dividend is here $0.07 per share on all the ordinary shares. Okay, so now we need to calculate our final dividend. Okay, so still we have to add this amount. Let us write here less final dividend. Okay, so how to calculate, how to find final dividend? Okay, so here we had ordinary share capital $450,000. Yeah, so this is the ordinary share capital. How many shares? So here we will write $450,000. Okay, this is the amount. So we will divide this amount by $0.50. Okay, so now if we divide this, so this is the price per share. Okay, so here if we divide, we get 900,000 ordinary shares. Okay, this is the number of shares, don't be confused, this is the dollar. Okay, then we have more 600,000 shares. Okay, how we calculated this number of shares? So here we know for every 3 ordinary shares, business issued 2 bonus shares. Okay, so here we will calculate this way: 900,000 shares times 2, and we will divide this by 3. So here we get more 600,000 shares. Okay, so what is the total shares? So if we add this 2, we get 1.5 million ordinary shares. Okay, now we need to calculate final dividend on this amount. Okay, so final dividend per share is $0.07. Okay, so now if we multiply 1,500,000 shares times $0.07, okay, we get here $105,000. Okay, this is the final dividend. Okay, so let us write here final dividend. We calculated $105,000. Okay, great. Now we will subtract this all 3 amounts from this $456,000. Okay, so this will be our closing balance. So now what we get here? $128,000. So we will write here retained earnings at 28 February 2022. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate retained earnings closing balance if you have this type of question in your exam.